Hey, so welcome to Garage Night. This is the final chapter of the LTD saga. Found a buyer for it, just don't have the time. So I came back to where it all started, at the same Napa, where we took the first video. And we're gonna go through real quick and say goodbye, and then we're gonna film on the way home and move on to the next chapter. Still a gorgeous car. Getting it cleaned up. It's just been incredible. Everything I wanted it to be. Didn't have time to drive it as much as I wanted. 1,000 miles over 4 years, but look at that. We redid the seats and the wings back there, and you know, it's all still the same original upholstery, just kind of cleaned up and made nice. Mirror kind of stays a lot better. Still wonderful to drive. Still a massive car. Yeah, it's gonna be sad to let her go, but she's been staying at a remote location over the mountains, so not like it was getting driven anyway. So we'll put her in the hands of a guy who intends to daily drive the LTD. So let's, it's about 95 degrees in Madras, so we're gonna go ahead and get in and grab some lunch and some extra water, just in case she's running good. So let's head towards home. Last start. Chans here. So we made it to the end of the high desert. We're gonna start heading over the mountain. So far, no problem, no hiccups. It's been a gem. I wish I had gotten exhaust on it, is about all. It's a little burbly, but it's a good burble, you know, good old big block. So it's about 91 here. Let's see if maybe it cools down a little bit going up. Got just a little bit out of the overflow. But that's not bad. It did that in 70-degree weather when I'd go up a big grade or something. So I have no problems. Let's continue on. Update, we are up at the top of Mount Hood, almost to Government Camp. We're at the Snow Bunny parking lot, and we're just going to keep rolling right along. It's been great. Just keep pulling over to check and see about if there's any water. You know, about the same overflow, so we're doing great. I'm not going to jinx a good thing. AC's working great. 2x65. Got the wing window opened all the way up, pushing air right into my face. It's great. Let's kick this full back window down, huh? Yeah, not reaching over there. Okay, back in gear. We'll get this time lapse over here. Get this all tightened up. All right. What do you say?